Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Digital Wellbeing because that's where Android aggregates usage. If you have Android 9 or later, go to Settings and type Digital Wellbeing in the search bar. Otherwise, install the app. Once the screen appears, tap Dashboard immediately to see apps listed by time. You're doing this to get accurate foreground usage and timers, so make sure you're on the dashboard view before moving on to inspect daily or hourly breakdowns. Next, choose an app from the dashboard to dig into its details. This shows daily, weekly, and hourly breakdowns so you understand patterns. Once done, tap the app entry to reveal the timeline and usage graph. This explains when you use the app most. Make sure to check both screen time and number of opens. If you want limits, set an app timer on this page so Android automatically pauses the app after your chosen duration. To finish, save or share the usage snapshot for comparison across days. Take a screenshot or use the share function if available. Then compare yesterday versus today and adjust timers or enable focus mode to reduce usage. Finally, if an app shows 0 or incomplete time, make sure usage access is granted. Settings right arrow apps, right arrow special app access, right arrow usage access, then toggle for digital well-being. That fixes most missing data problems, so your reports stay accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.